Say that. I have a new girlfriend. Don't tell mommy.
Mommy, Daddy has a girlfriend.
No. Don't tell mommy. Huh? Don't. That is our secret.
No, it's not. Oh, it's not.
Don't tell mommy. Please.
I'm gonna tell Mommy.
What will you tell mommy? I'll buy you a toy. Don't tell to mommy.
Okay.
Huh? Don't tell? You're not gonna tell mommy?
No.
I have a new...
Toy.
No, I have a new girlfriend.
No.
Huh?
No.
Why? Are you crying? Don't tell, huh? I have a new girlfriend, not mommy Annalyn. Don't tell her. Secret.
Do you have a new toy?
No, not toy. A girlfriend.
No.
Don't tell to mommy. Don't tell to your mommy.
Will you give a toy for me?
If you're not going to tell it, don't tell to mommy.
You're gonna give my toy?
Yes.
Yay! Okay.
Okay, it's okay. I have a new wife. I have a new girlfriend. No problem?
Baby?
Not a baby, a girlfriend. Ha? Huwag mo ko susumbong. Okay lang? Okay lang?
Your girlfriend's so too far.
Okay lang. I don't love mommy anymore.
Hindi to, I love.
You love? Me, I don't love. Don't tell, ha? Don't tell.
I'm really not supposed to. Oh!
Sumbong mo ako?
Quiet.
What will you do to mama?
You cannot understand. Ah!
Huwag mo ko sumbong, ha?
You cannot understand. Ah!
Huwag mo ko sumbong.